Hey, what's up everyone? We are going to be doing the exhaust today, and this is what we got. The Manzo catback exhaust system with the face set. Pardon the lighting and everything like that. This is just going to be one of those running gun type of videos. Not really going to be too worried about filming today. It's more or less just getting the job done. Alright, so we just got the car on risers. Coming along, one step at a time. Alright, so we got the cat back off. We're going to be moving along here to the mid pipe here shortly, setting up the Manzo for the install. We got really lucky. Just having the right set of tools really helped this job go a lot quicker than I think we expected for the cat back here. But we're going. So I actually spoke too soon. We ran into some problems with the mid pipe. It needed to be shortened 3 inches, turned up, completely missed the exhaust tunnel. So we actually didn't get too much more filming done. I am going to leave you guys with this exhaust clip of the job complete. Special shout out to my boy Brian for helping out and really crushing it. All right, later.